Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening the calculator and locking your hands into a steady routine. This sets the illusion's rhythm. Once done, type a small base number such as 3 or 7, then press plus and enter a clear, multi-digit number like 12,345. Don't hit equals yet. You're creating a predictable state the audience will read as randomness. Make sure to keep your fingers visible when you press keys, so the motion looks normal rather than secretive. Now you perform the only way that makes this trick work. Use a deliberate gesture to mask a quick swipe copy. You hold the plus key with one thumb to anchor attention, then casually appear to reach for equals while your other thumb swipes the display left to select and copy the digits. Once copied, press multiply, paste the display, and hit equals. The audience reads continuous input, not the hidden duplication. This creates an unexpected but reproducible result. You finish by revealing the computed number and delivering a confident line that frames it as surprising. If the paste doesn't register, make sure your swipe selects the display text fully and that you're not triggering control center or reachability. Slower, deliberate swipes fix most issues. Once done, practice the full motion until the hold swipe press sequence is fluid. Record yourself to spot hesitations. With repetition, the action becomes invisible, and the trick reads as pure magic.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.